No, this is the rule number one. Usually, names of organizations, ministries, bodies are incorrect. Okay. For example, if the name
Yes,
in
this
a
was the
question,
rule.
rule number one also, if you remember, I have told you that whenever we read a rule, it is only applicable to a question when only one statement has this rule. Okay. Like for example, a question is on something, water or something. Okay. And the first statement is about an organization or a ministry. Then second of statement is about a organization or ministry. And then third statement is about the aim, purpose or something else. So in this question, two out of three statements are related to the names of an organization or ministry or a body. So you cannot use elimination here. Okay, it will only work when the entire question contains the name of an organization or a ministry in one statement. Be it single organization, multi organization, but it will be in one statement only. Okay, so I'll take some questions now. With reference to NIIF, which of the following is correct? It is an organ of Niti Aayog. You can eliminate. Okay. Second point, it has a corpus of rate 4 lakh crore at present. So first thing, this is very very extreme. 4 lakh crore just for what? Investment.
Yes, can be
Okay.
eliminated.
So we have not read this part. We will read it in the next session about the numbers and extreme data. So this is also a very fixed data used once in a question. So that also says it is incorrect, but usually does not mean that always incorrect. Usually incorrect. Okay. First statement contains the name of a body, that is Niti Aayog. So statement one is incorrect, and statement two is incorrect because of extreme data given, as well as it is a very very factual number. Second, with reference to urban cooperative banks in India, consider following statements. They are supervised by the local boards. This is a body.
रवि, NIIF तो शायद नीति आयोग का पार्ट था.
नहीं.
Yes, I think I'm pretty sure. एक बार आप चेक कर लीजिए प्लीज. I recall the 4
ओके ओके,
lakh
हाँ
crore
हाँ,
was
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
outrageously wrong. बट NIIF ये तो बड़ा फैक्चुअल डेटा था, ये याद था मुझे कि हाँ.
मुझे लग रहा है एक्चुअली. ओके, सो आई मीन इफ वी यूज दिस लॉजिक, तो वी गेट वन क्वेश्चन इनकरेक्ट. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि सारे करेक्ट होंगे. ठीक है.
बट हमें इसमें यूज करना है. इफ यू आर क्लियर विद द फैक्ट तो फैक्ट यूज कर लो ना यार. वो लास्ट में यूज करेंगे तिकला मगर नहीं लग रहा था.
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली अगर इफ यू नो द आंसर देन डू नॉट यूज लॉजिक की अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉजिक दिस शुड बी करेक्ट. ओके. If you know the answer, then no need to follow. And please confirm, is it a part of Niti or not?
Yes, it is. I just checked.
Okay then.
Yes, the NIF is an organ of NITI.
So first question we got incorrect. Let's move to the second one. शुरुआत ही खराब हो गई. Okay. With reference to urban cooperative banks in India, consider the following statements. They are supervised and regulated by local boards set up by the state governments. They can issue equity shares and preference shares. They were brought under the purview of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 through an amendment in 1969. Statement 1 contains the name of a body, that is local boards. Okay. So if we eliminate option statement 1, we will get the answer as option B.
रवि, अब उसमें प्रॉब्लम आ रही है NIIF में, क्योंकि कुछ जगह कह रहे हैं नहीं है, कुछ जगह
Actually,
कह रहे हैं है.
Aditya, now I
आप एक
recall
बार
it.
प्लीज चेक कर लो.
Actually, what happened
part
here?
of DTI आयोग is not because कल ही मैंने इकोनॉमी की अटेंड करी थी रोनल सर की. Nowhere did he mention that it's a part of नीति आयोग.
Actually, see.
नो ऑर्गन ऑफ. आप एक बार
No,
प्लीज
no,
चेक
it's
कर लो.
not. It's not an organ. उसमें सिर्फ अलग-अलग banks के shares हैं. It's not an organ or part of नीति आयोग at all. In fact, it clearly stated that it is the first sovereign wealth fund of India. Yeah. It is not anybody.
Okay, means I'm safe.
Sir, it is not. It is not a part of नीति आयोग.
Okay, so this is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this one? B is the answer because statement 1 contains the body. Let's try this one.
Sir, but उसमें कोई particular name of the organization
Local
तो नहीं है.
boards.
बस ऐसी local boards भी तो है मतलब.
तो ठीक है, you will understand this point later when you will practice some on your own. Okay,
Okay, sir.
leave this one. Let's come to this one. In this question, see, in the second statement, it says it is a trading platform of the RBI, and then third statement says that CDSL is jointly promoted by RBI and the BSE. In this question, two different bodies are given in two different statements, so we cannot use the elimination here, right? The rule I told you that when the same thing happens in two, we cannot use it. So, okay. Now comes then how do we eliminate it? So I can eliminate it. I can still eliminate it because your this CDSL. This is a CDSL. RBI and BSE both are very different. They both work in very different sphere. Okay. BSE is a part of share market, and RBI, I think it is not related to share market. It is related to only money market. Okay. So either it can be SEBI. If it says
वो
SEBI,
प्राइमरी मार्केट हो गया ना.
हाँ. So if it
मतलब
says
RBI deals in the primary market.
not primary, money market.
अगर वो गवर्नमेंट
Primary market is Aditya. Primary market is different. Primary market is a part of capital market itself, share market.
सर इसमें जो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है वो करेक्ट है क्या?
Let's first eliminate the statement number 3. Okay. So it says RBI and BSE, and both of them are not relatable because RBI works for banking system in India as well as money market. Okay, and BSE works for the share market, that is capital market, primary and secondary market of capital market, security market to be specific. Okay, so statement 3 is correct. Now we are left with option A and B. It means statement 1 is correct. Now we need to check statement 2 only. The negotiated dealing system order matching is a government securities trading platform of the RBI. So I'll tell you our logic for this, that how I pick or how I used to pick, but I'm not sure if this is the same condition with you. For example, I'm stuck with 50-50, okay, and the first option is 1 only, second option is 1 and 2 only. Okay, in first option I have only one statement, in second option I have two statements. So I assumed during my preparation that if I don't know, then the statement is correct. Like if even if I cannot eliminate and the statement is very general and I'm still confused that which one is correct between two statements, so either it's 1 only or 1 and 2 only. So I made this habit that I'll go with the one where options are more, like 1 and 2 only wala. Okay, I'll go with 1 and 2 only type options. So I made this habit, and what I found that 70% or more than 70, I think I was correct till 2020. I'm not sure about 2021 paper. I still need to figure it out. Okay. So you can try in your case. If this works for you as well, you can follow this approach. That choose one side. Either you check that yes, another statement is incorrect, or it is correct. Like here, we are sure that statement 1 is correct. Now we are only doubting the statement 2. So you can make a habit of it, that you go for the statement 2 as correct, or you can make a habit of considering it as incorrect. Okay, it depends on your case. My case is they are correct.
On this point, I want to ask you something. That is the concern which I was trying to convey here. See, what I've seen in history questions, that I call this approach the positive approach. So मैं positive approach को environment में लगाना हूँ, as you said 70%, मेरा 80% सही हो जाता है. But when I apply the same approach in polity, मेरा 80% क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाता है. तो मैं यही पूछना चाहता था कि हिस्ट्री में भी ये पॉजिटिव अप्रोच लगाते हैं या हिस्ट्री में नेगेटिव अप्रोच लगाते हैं? जैसे कि अभी आपने ये अप्रोच लगाया कि सही होगा, मान लेते हैं लग गया सही, ऐसा एनवायरमेंट में भी चल जाता है, बट पॉलिटी ऐसा कभी नहीं चला. तो मैं हिस्ट्री का पूछना चाह रहा था.
हिस्ट्री डिपेंड्स ऑन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ना. इफ इट इज एंशिएंट तो ऑब्वियसली नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स कैन बी करेक्ट एज वेल. ओके, क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम देयर वर सम इविल प्रैक्टिसेस. ओके, so that depends on the context. So I'll suggest you that go for only science, economy and environment based questions if you are going for this.
Okay. There I was asking.
This question, water credit, consider the following statements. It puts microfinance tools to work in the water and sanitation sector. It is a global initiative under the aegis of WHO and the WB. Then third statement is, it aims to enable the poor people to meet their water need without depending on subsidies. Here also second statement contains the name of organization. So we can eliminate statement 2 and we can get the answer as C. Okay. We have one more question.
अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन में दो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से
हाँ, but in only one statement.
हम पूरे के पूरे मतलब हमारे क्वेश्चन में एक कहीं पे भी दो यूज हुआ तो चलेगा.
हाँ, even they can use 3 names, but if they are used in one statement only, तो usually they are incorrect. I'm not saying that always. Okay.
उनका से ये होना चाहिए कि हमें ये ध्यान देना है कि अगर फैक्ट याद नहीं है डेटा और अगर सिर्फ एक स्टेटमेंट में वो कितने भी अगर यूज कर ले तो वो स्टेटमेंट हटा देता है.
Right. हाँ.
मतलब एक ही स्टेटमेंट होना चाहिए ना, अगर एक से ज्यादा स्टेटमेंट में होगा तो
एक से ज्यादा मतलब नहीं है.
हाँ, see this question ना, that's what I was discussing here. In this question, statement 2 and 3 both contain RBI or a kind of body.
ओके.
हम रूल का एटलीस्ट बहुत क्लियर हो गया है, मतलब अगर इंजन यूज हो है तो हटा ही देना है.
सर मैं अकाउंट और टैक्सेशन क्वेश्चन दोबारा बताओ.
Which one?
डीमैट अकाउंट.
Okay, this one.
हाँ.
Okay. See, in this question, statement 2, 3 both contain the name of an organization or a body. That is RBI, usually. Okay, in this question. So we cannot say that these statements are incorrect. Because the rule says they have to be in only one statement in the entire question. But here we can see them in the 2 statements. Okay. Now, if you read statement 3.
सर इसमें डी ऑप्शन है आंसर.
No, it should be B.
1 and 2.
हाँ.
Okay. ठीक है सर, आप एक्सप्लेन करिए.
Okay. So CDSL is a jointly promoted by RBI and BSE. BSE is working for share market and or say capital market or security market. Okay. But RBI is related to money market and the banking system of India. It is not related to the share market and security market. For that we have Security and Exchange Board of India. Na? Okay. So we can eliminate 3. Now we are left with option A and B, which is 1 and 2 only. Okay. So my logic that I follow for myself is that if the statement is not extreme, I cannot eliminate. It sounds positive to me. I will mark as correct. Okay. So I will go for option B. So this is what I do in my case. I always do this. And they are usually 60-70% correct. Even Shivanshu agreed to this, that he has tried it in the environment and science type of questions. Okay. So this is the logic.
Okay, sir.
This is the last question. Try this one.
No, sir. Actually, I want to tell something on this question. B is the answer first for, I think. Is B the answer, sir?
Statement 1 says UNICEF. So you can eliminate. Okay. Then second.
UNICEF to
it should be UNESCO, because UNESCO is the organization which deals with heritage and language. Right. Then second statement, the demand that Bangla has to be one of the national languages was raised in the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. Okay. Can be, because also Pakistan was not just the western part but also the Bangladesh part, East Bengal. Okay. So maybe it sounds logical. So like I told you, I will always assume correct. This is my assumption. If I do not find it extreme or incorrect, so I assume this correct. Okay. So this is the rule number 1, that bodies, organizations are usually incorrect. Okay. There were more questions, but I thought कि थोड़ा practice के लिए छोड़ देता हूँ, that I should leave something for the practice as well. Okay. So try some questions, but if you get it incorrect, do not worry. Okay. I'm not saying that it's 100% correct. Even if it is 70% or 60%, at least you will get some positive marks. So I think this is all for today. Tomorrow I will come with a new set of rule, and we will discuss that tomorrow. Okay?
सर कल आपने क्या डिस्कस किया था क्लास में?
Nothing
I
specific.
couldn't take the class.
The only thing we discussed ki how we are going to analyze the papers. Okay. Like earlier,
Okay.
what we were doing, we are taking the paper and thus we were just looking at the weaker sections. I mean the weaker areas in our preparation. But now, if you have a weaker area in your preparation, like suppose fundamental rights and DPSP or parliament or external sector of India or money and banking. So in the first test, if you have made mistakes in these topics, I mean big mistakes, not just one, but 3-4 questions type mistake. And in the second test, on the same topics, you are making the same mistakes. So I just want you to make list of these topics, okay? For example, in test number 1, your mistake was in external sector of India. So make a list that I made mistakes. Out of 10, I marked 7 incorrect or 5 incorrect or even 3. So that is also a mistake, 3 incorrect, okay? In second test, again, if you are making mistakes, at least 2 questions from the same topic means there is some issue. We need to work on that, right?
Okay.
So this was the only major thing that we discussed yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'll join you guys tomorrow again with a new set of rule.
Okay. सर साइंस की एनसीईआरटी के भी पीडीएफ्स मिल जाएंगे ना?
हाँ वो मिल जाएंगे. I'll provide them as well.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.